My name is Doug Jones, and I have a quick question for you. Do you own the old-fashioned kind of life insurance that you have to die to use? Or do you own the new modern kind with full living benefits? If you're like I was 14 months ago, you're probably thinking, well, it's life insurance. Of course I have to die before it pays off. I wasn't aware that a major breakthrough had taken place in the life insurance industry. In the past, we all bought life insurance because it's the responsible thing for our families in the event that we're not around to provide for them anymore. But there's one very big problem with that. Thanks to modern medicine, it's 7 times more likely now that any one of us will have a heart attack, stroke, or cancer and live rather than dying immediately. And then what happens next? Well, all too often what happens next is financial catastrophe for the entire family. According to a study out of Harvard University, 62% of all personal bankruptcies in the United States in 2013 were the direct result of a major health event. And over 70% of those individuals were covered with health insurance. The problem is all the things the health insurance doesn't pay for, like the copays. You know, that's the portion of the hospital bills and doctor bills that you pay for personally. And have you seen how much the copays have skyrocketed up with the new Obamacare plan? Other large unreimbursed expenses can include rehabilitation, physical therapy, assisted living, the list goes on. And what if you're out of work for an extended period of time during your recovery process? Most of us can't survive for very many months with no paycheck coming in. And what about that old-fashioned life insurance policy that only pays if you die? If you can't make the premium payments, then pretty soon that's gone too. So here's another question. Picture yourself now, or your spouse, in the hospital recovery room after surviving a major health event. At that point, would you rather have your life insurance agent send you a get well card? Or would it be better if she showed up with a great big fat check for $50,000, $100,000, $200,000, up to $2 million to help with your recovery? Don't you think that your recovery process would be a lot easier without having the added stress of worrying about how those huge bills would be paid? What I'm talking about is the new modern life insurance with full living benefits. These new modern policies allow you to accelerate all or a portion of your death benefit while you're still alive to take care of you and your family in the event of critical, chronic, or terminal illness. There are no strings attached to the money you receive from your living benefits coverage. It doesn't go to the doctor or the hospital. It goes straight to you, and you can use it in any manner you choose. You have full control. And the best part is you can now have these full living benefits as a rider at no additional premium cost on policies offered by several of the strongest insurance companies in America. Guys, that's 700% more value for your life insurance dollars you're already spending. Often your old-fashioned policy, you know, that one that you have to die to use, that one can be replaced with a new modern policy with full living benefits at about the same and sometimes even less cost. It's definitely worth checking out. Once I'd become aware of this new modern life insurance, my first thought was I need to call my friend who told me about it and have him write me a policy. I had plenty of the old-fashioned death insurance. If I died, my wife Nancy would have been fine. I hope she'd have missed me, but she'd be okay financially. But if I had a heart attack, stroke, or cancer and lived, we would be in deep trouble. I was earning good income at the time, but if I couldn't work, our income would have gone to zero, and our bills would have gone right through the roof. Nancy and I have a lot more peace of mind now that we have a modern life insurance policy with full living benefits because a very big hole in our financial safety net is now covered. I expect that, like me, you probably want to learn more about this, right? So we've prepared a brief video for you that will give you more details about how to protect your family with full living benefits, probably for about what you're already paying or perhaps even a little bit less. To watch the video, fill in your contact information on that form over there to the right. After you fill in your contact information, just click the Learn More button to watch the video. We'll see you on the other side with the information.